Alright, let's go into Seaham. Seaham in the sunshine. Whoop whoop whoop. Last time I was down here, you remember, if you'd seen the video, it was yucky. I'm really looking forward to having a good look today. Going into, I think it's called Kamex. Won't take them long to unload. The only issue you'll have in this place, because it's quite a small yard, is if there's more than one in there, kind of jostling for position, because you'll need to swing around once you're in there to reverse onto like a mobile ramp. You'll see. For now, just enjoy the little coastal run. Looks lovely coastline down here, absolutely beautiful. Rugged. I just keep thinking, whoa, drop a lobster pot in there. See if it's out biting. Quite surprising to everybody when I come straight down this bit here. Holy hell. Shape of the trees. Telltale sign that it's okay. There's a big sign at the front would say it's not okay if it wasn't. Oh, it's gorgeous. I kind of burnt myself, my head, my arms a bit yesterday. I was doing athletics for the council and unfortunately I didn't have any kind of protection. To Seaham. Beautiful. You want to meet another truck coming round here, especially if they've got momentum. Come on, baby, got me again. No bother for the Volvo. Get him there. I'm scoping for parking places for the van as well, for a cheeky little night here. Just past 2 car parks, so it hasn't got height restrictions on. It was certainly busier last time I came here. Wow. Swinging it right here. And then the left just before the bridge it is. Nice and simple. This one's the next one. I got that wrong about the height restriction. There was a guy in the yard said it was 12 something, but it's not. I was corrected by one of my subscribers who he knows this entire area like the back of his hand. Like, I would let that guy out there. Like, I feel bad now. I just said sorry to him. He's alright. Little sort of an S shape. Try not to hit the curbs. You want to hear pop, and then around into this bit here. Get in, there's no one in. So I'm going to turn it around. Yeah, go. Open the back doors, or let them, or I'll do it, I think. Little bit of a screwing it around. It's nice. Perfect. Nice. There we go. We're here. And now you can see what I mean by, if you get more than one in here, it gets a bit tight. This guy's first time here, so he's just parked this way. As if he'd been here before, he would have gone straight over to the opposite side. and out the way, and he's got a slider trailer. Can you not get on that side so I can get a swing on? Just because that bloke's parked over there. I prefer. Square it up. Square it up. Thank you. So I'm going to need a bit of a swing to get out of here.